Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best whittling knives that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Opinel Pocket Whittling Knife. Since 1980, the Opinel Pocket Knife has been around to help handymen across the world undertake tons of projects with ease. It is a pocket knife that features a sturdy and straightforward design, with an efficiency that is hard to beat and a user-friendly structure. The design hasn't changed over the years, but the quality and level of innovation have, making this pocket knife our best choice product in this article. The Opinel knife is an iconic model designed for use outdoors, and it is well suited for both amateur and professional handymen and can be seen anywhere from a garden to the dinner table. The blade of the Opinel knife is manufactured from carbon steel, a robust metal known for its ability to remain sharp even after regular use. The use of this metal is also encouraged due to its excellent cutting quality and easy regrinding. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Flexcut cutting, whittling knife. One great beginner's knife is this whittling tools from Flexcut. This is a straight-edged knife developed from high-carbon steel in the USA. It is well suited for those learning the art of whittling, as it delivers comfort even after hours of continued carving. You can start using this knife right from its box, thanks to the additional sharpening of its steel blade by the manufacturers. Also, the handle on Flexcut cutting knife is exceptionally ergonomic and is built from the best ash hardwood on the market. If you're seeking to start the wood carving business or art, this is an excellent start for you. For more handy knives to help you in your projects, check out our guide to the best craft knives. At number 3, we have the Flexcut Pocket Jack Whittling Knife. The Flexcut Pocket Jack for carving is a carving-specific tool designed in the USA. It is a set which contains 4 different knives meant for various purposes. The jackknife wood carving knife features a straight gouge, a detail carving knife, a gouge scorp and a V-scorp, each of which has been constructed at a steady length of 4 inches for secure storage in the pack or your pocket. The blades of each knife are made from razor-sharp carbon steel metal and are made in a manner that makes it usable as soon as it's out of the packaging. The quality and versatility offered by these knives come second to none. They all feature a sleek frame and highly ergonomic handles that provide a sturdy grip whenever they're in use. There's no other brand on the market that offers a tremendous whittling knife bargain like Flexcut, so be sure to take advantage by getting these multi-tools for yourself. At number 2, we have the Morakniv Wood Carving 120 Knife. Whittling is made more comfortable with a knife that delivers excellent cutting quality. One of such products is the Morakniv Wood Carving Knife, the best whittling knife recommended by several customers around the globe. This is a sharp-edged knife that has a classic design and a fantastic level of durability, even with regular usage. It is manufactured with durable laminated steel for longevity and is well suited for all your wood carving needs. We recommend this whittling knife because it's part of one of the leading brands in the industry. The Morakniv brand has been around since then, and it's a company that has seen generations of wood carvers and carpenters who appreciate accuracy in performance and precision in design. This whittling knife is an affordable unit with ergonomically designed parts that are trusted by professionals worldwide. We can guarantee that every task you seek to undertake will be done with ease, with the blade guiding you through. For more versatile products like this, check out our reviews of the best utility knives. And finally, at number 1, we have the Morakniv Wood Carving 106 Knife. We present to you yet another special knife that comes highly recommended for whittling. It is a member of the Morakniv company and is seen to be one of the best whittling knives you'll ever encounter in today's market. This is the Morakniv Wood Carving Knife, a beautiful piece of blade designed as a simple and durable unit for cutting and other activities. This knife features a laminated steel blade for all your wood carving needs and also boasts of a wood handle made from oiled birch wood, to make it more durable. The Morakniv Edge is a proud Swedish product, which can adapt with ease to any task it is offered. Enjoy the most significant grip with this knife and move with ease while you cut. Our guide to the best Benchmade pocket knives features more high-quality knives like this.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.